Hello children, today we are going to see the exercise 2.2. First question, find the area of the dining table whose diameter is 105 centimeter. So first read the question children, then what is given, you should write first, okay. So what is given? Diameter. So D is equal to 105 centimeter. This is given part. Next we find what? We find area of the dining table. So the dining table is in the form of a circle, okay. So we find the area of the circle. So area of the circle. This dining table is circle. So area of the circle is equal to, first you write the formula pi r square. But here only D is given. So D is 105 means R is equal to 105 divided by 2, because we know that what relationship between diameter and radius is D is equal to 2R or R is equal to D by 2. So we write R is equal to 105 divided by 2. Now we substitute in the formula pi. So the value of pi is 22 by 7 into R squared. R squared means R you should write 2 times, okay. So 105 divided by 2 into 105 divided by 2. Now we simplify this step, we get the answer. So first we cancel this term, 1 2s are 2, 11 2s are 22. Next this term 177, remainder 3, 35, 5 7, 35. So 11 into 15 into 105. So first we multiply 11 into 15, we get the answer as 165 into 105, that is equal to the answer as divided by 2 also, okay children. So the answer is 8662.5, area only no, so we write centimeter square. Next second question, calculate the area of the short put circle whose radius is 2.135 meter. So given, what is given? Radius. So first we write given part. So given radius means R is equal to 2.135 meter. Next we find the area of the short put circle. So short put circle means we find the area of the circle. So area of the circle is equal to pi r square square units. So pi value is 22 by 7 into R is 2.135 meter into 2.135. Now I cancel these terms, 7 and 2.1 no. So first we put 0. 3 sevens are 21, 0. So 3, so 0, 5 sevens are 35. So now we multiply these three terms, we get the answer as 14.32585. Okay children, this is meter, so meter square. This is the area of the short put circle, okay children. Next third question, a sprinkler placed at the center of a flower garden sprays water covering a circular area if the area watered is 1386 centimeter square. Find the radius and diameter. So you know the sprinkler in the flower garden, I think you know that it sprays water covering a circular area, okay children. Next, if the area watered is, so this is the area of the circle, okay. So what is given? Given area of the circle. Given area of the circle. This is given part. Area of the circle is equal to 1386 centimeter square. We find the radius and diameter. So we find the radius and diameter. So now we write the formula. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square. That is given no. So 1386. So the value of pi 22 by 7, or we don't know. Now only we find the radius. So just write r square is equal to 1386. Next step, r square is equal to, this 7 goes to the right hand side, it will become in the new, it will be in multiplication. Okay, so 22 by 7 comes to the new right hand side, changes as 7 divided by 22. 1386, 7 goes to the numerator and 22 comes to the denominator. Okay, so now I cancel these terms. First 2 table, 11 2s are 22, so 6 2s are 12, again remainder 1 18, 9 2s are 18, 3 2s are 6. So this I cancel 11 table, 1 11 11, 6 11 66, remainder 3 33, 3 11s 33. So the answer is 63 into 7, the answer is 441. So r squared is 441, no? But we find r, so r is square root of 441. How do you find the square root of 441? So we find the square root means we take the prime factorization. So 441, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9, so it will come in 3 table. So 1 3s are 3, remainder 1 14, 4 3s are 12, remainder 2, 7 3s are 21. Next again 7 1 plus 1 8, 8 plus 4 12, so again 3 table, 3 4s are 12, so 27, 3 9s are 27, so 49 comes in 7 table, no? So 7 7s are 49, so 3 then 7, so 3 into 7 21. So r is equal to square root of 441 means the answer is 21. 21 it is given in centimeter square, area is, so you write r 21 centimeter. Next we find d, d is equal to 2 into r, isn't it? So 2 into 21, that is equal to 42 centimeter. Fourth question, the circumference of a circular park is 352 meter. Find the area of the park. So first we write given part. What is given? Circumference of a circular. Circumference, we know the formula. Circumference is equal to, first we write the given part. This is given section. Circumference is equal to 352 meter. We find the area. Okay children. So we find area, we need r because the formula is pi r square. So first we find radius with the help of this circumference. Okay, so what is the formula of circumference? 2 pi r or pi d. Okay, so now here I substitute 2 pi r formula. So 2 pi r is equal to 352. So 2 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r we don't know. So r you just write as it is, equal to 352. So r is equal to 7 goes to the numerator and 2 into 22 comes to the denominator. So 352 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. So first we cancel this by 2 table. 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2, remainder 1 15, 7 2s are 14, remainder 1 12, 6 2s are 12. So again this table I directly cancel 22 table. 122 22, 8 22s are 176. So r is equal to 8 into 7 56. R is equal to 56 meter. Now we find the radius. Next we find the area of, okay. So area of the circle. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square, square units. So pi value is 22 by 7. R is 56 into 56. So 177, 8 7s are 56. So 22 into 8, 176 into 56. So the answer is 9856 meter square. Okay children, thank you.